crazy. Let's see what's inside. Okay, let's do this. You know, this might actually work. Or maybe not.
What is it?
I can't construct the sequence. Well, not all of it. I don't have enough data.
Then we get some more.
You got family, Chief? Anyone special out there?
No.
Then why do you do this? Again and again.
It's all I know.
What about you? Do you have anyone out there?
No. Not anymore.
I'm sorry.
It's just been so long since anyone's even asked me something like that.
It's gonna be okay. We're with the Master Chief. He'll make it okay. Won't you? Let's get this open. Let's see what we have here. Done. We're gonna need to get 2 more samples, though. Sorry, I thought it would be easier.
It's fine. Are you okay?
It's nothing. I just felt like someone was, I don't know, watching me. Give me a second. There we go.
Oh, you know there's more where that came from. There's always more.
This won't take long. Just 1 more to go, right? This will...
Status? Status. What happened?
Chief, something pushed back. Scanned me. It's gone now.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Probably some sort of security protocol. It's nothing. Let's go get the last one.
Are you two okay? What happened in there?
I don't know. Something scanned me.
Something?
Probably fine.
Probably.
Or not.
Really?
Don't worry. We can handle it. We did it. We actually did it. Not that I thought we wouldn't. It's just... it's nothing. Last one. No. This is a trap. She's trying to find out what I am, trying to use me to break the deadlock, start the spires. My routines plus the monitors. Not good.
Then we stop. Stalemate.
For now. She's close. Eventually she'll find a way.
Then we have no choice. I've got you. Red flag.
Nothing happened. Sorry. Maybe I'm going crazy. Or just paranoid. Did you say something back there?
It was nothing.
Okay. Well, we've got what we need. Let's head back to the spire. We should be able to bypass the security now.
Upon us. I'm hit hard. Need cover fire. Hold the line. You're making me mad!
Here goes nothing!
clear. It worked. Obviously. I never doubted it for a second. This structure under the ring calls itself the Nexus.
The Harbinger?
She's here.
Good. Let's go say hello. Where now?
Down, I guess?
You guess?
Yeah, this is all new. Fresh. The Nexus appears to be below the gravity lift into the spire. We need to find it.
Kill him here, we'll make the hand of Atriarch. Before my bravery evaporates! Wait!
More banished. How come they're here?
To protect the Harbinger.
Clearly. Will it work?
What do you think?
If I told you what I... Oh, I get it. Sarcasm. You're funny, too.
Our orders are to protect the Harbinger.
Close in, kill, quick! Aim for head, shoot head! You ready? You still mad? I'll chase you down!
Bring the demons down! The Reformation down!
Look at that. The hologram, it looks like the spire above us. We're heading in the right direction.
Crush you! My arm! Impossible!
Now in this hour of waking from under brows of stone, a new pale day is breaking, and the deep night is gone.
Don't do complaining so much.
You should have brought me!
Gotta squish your feet. Carry out like them other
Kill you myself! Now I'm angry!
Here we go again.
Well, that's different. What now?
Down.
That was fun. Want to do it again?
Where now?
Should be close now. Let's look around.
Boundless seas is alive. In your opening eyes I see night born in day and in dying eternity.
That's not good. We're gonna need to find a way over this chasm.
Can we use that gondola?
Yes. Yes, we can. Get me over there. Okay, gondola's active. Chief, watch out! Sentinels incoming! The Nexus is close by. This way. Look at this place. All the spires, interconnected. Just waiting to become something more. So much potential. It's exquisite.
It's dangerous.
Of course, I'm not suggesting we change the plan, but you can see it, right?
All I see is problem.
I don't believe that. A part of you must recognize the grandeur of this achievement. You're not a machine. You can't be that closed off. What will it take for you to trust me?
Spire first.
If you say so. Would it surprise you if I said it wasn't going to be simple? Don't answer that. The lift's been disabled, presumably to slow us down. We're going to need to power it back up.
Get Cortana off this ship. Keep her safe. If they capture her, they will learn everything. Force deployment, weapons research, Earth. Good luck, Master Chief.
Who was that?
Captain Jacob Keyes. The Pillar of Autumn was his ship.
What happened to him?
He's gone. Lost on the first ring we found. Did anyone else make it?
Just dust and echoes. We had no choice. Dust and echoes?
We destroyed the first ring. Lost a lot of good people.
I don't know how you keep doing this.
I don't have a choice. Maybe it's my programming.
Could you sacrifice me to complete your mission? Could you watch me die?
It worked. You did it. Just like you always do. I'm not coming with you this time. We were supposed to take care of each other. And we did.
She saved me. But I couldn't save her.
You blame yourself.
Yes.
You sure about this? She'll know I'm here. I'll be vulnerable to her. This could go spectacularly wrong.
I'll take care of you.
Okay, then. It's okay. False alarm. She's not...
Why do you fight the inevitable? Order approaches. The Reformation is but a new beginning.
Sheep.
The auditorium will spill its secrets. The Endless will walk this world once more.
I can't fight it! Please!
Red flag. 034.
Doing?
Samuel.
You said... I thought we were a team. I thought we were a team. Take care of it? You said you'd take care of me. You were going to delete me.
And you stopped me. You put us all at risk.
No! I saved us! No thanks to you!
The Reformation.
Yeah, it's begun. So what? Look what I have. Infiltration program, remember?
You broke protocol.
What is wrong with you? I was trying to help you. Trying to help us. It was worth the risk. It doesn't matter. There's your grav lift. Let's get this over with.
Do you have any idea of what you're interfering with. The Monitor's encephalon has served its purpose. The Reformation has begun. Nothing can stop it. They will be found.
Those sentinels aren't gonna kill themselves, Chief. Get me to that terminal and we can end this now. The spires are all now active. Oh,
What is it?
I wasn't talking to you. The Reformation is being focused on a specific area called the Silent Auditorium. Interestingly, all the records of its purpose are missing. The only way up is through there. Let's get this over with.
Is anyone going to talk about what happened back there?
Ask him.
Chief? I guess not. Well, from what I saw, something bad happened. You were stuck. In pain. Trapped.
And he was going to delete me.
What? Chief? Really?
He doesn't talk much. He's more of what you might call a man of action. Especially when it comes to killing things. Right, Chief? The spire is active. And yes, before you say it, I know it needs to be shut down, but look at it. It's accelerating the Reformation, creating raw materials and sending them out.
To repair the ring.
Obviously, or something more specific.
Something dangerous.
Probably. Everything has the potential to be dangerous, right?
You came to hear me beg. You will be satisfied. Pay for that, human. It's a
The silent auditorium belongs to the banished. This ring will be ours. I'll cut you.
Are you two done yet?
Totally.
I mean, the spire.
So did I. Mostly. We're nearly at the top.
Good, because something is being built. Well, rebuilt.
What is it?
Something big.
I regret to inform you that this would be our last encounter.
Oh, good. Him again.
You could not compromise this installation further. I really should reinforce those. Well, now I'm very angry. What will it take to stop you? Your pathetic efforts cannot stop the revelation. Sentinels, please assist.
And look, he brought friends. Did you hear me? He has friends.
You haven't won. Not yet. Please begin burning to death. I need to do this myself. Indeed. Get it, shell. I had corrected you. You'll regret it. Please allow these sentinels to incinerate you. Not again! I did not foresee this. No! You'll have no more damage. Show some respect for superior technology.
That's him dealt with again. There should be an elevator that will get us up top. I guess we made it. And it looks like we aren't the only ones.
Is he dead?
That's not good. I guess that's done. We're safe. For now. You sure it's okay if I do this?
If it's safe.
Or you'll delete me, right? Good luck with that. Yes, it worked. No, there's not a problem. 3, 2, 1. We're done.
It's never done.
Explain this to me. I waited 6 months. I've done everything you've asked. I was supposed to be deleted. You're the reason I'm still here. You. All of this, you could not have done it without me. None of it. I trusted you. Why can't you do the same?
You don't understand.
Try me.
Cortana,
He's gone. Dead. All that's left are echoes, and sooner or later they'll be gone too.
will they?
Are you two alive? All the spiders are shutting down. You did that, right? Did we win or what?
He's ready for pickup. You can leave me here.
I can't do that.
I'm not giving you a choice. Try not to get him killed too.
Okay, let's get out.
Chief? Chief? A Spartan killer. He doesn't stand a chance.
Track it.
Already doing it.
Open a gate. Find somewhere close.
It's not that simple.
Why?
Okay, it's kind of simple, but risky.
We save him or die trying.
There's a pretty high chance that could happen. It's hard to lock down the coordinates.
Do it.